Good morning. Welcome to another video. In today's video we're doing something I'm really excited about. We have some intercooler pipe joiners from Mishimoto. Shout out. They were on sale and I love it. So, finally, we can get rid of our purple ones. But that's not all. We also got the freaking pipes. Look at this thing. I don't even know which one this is. Look at it. It's like a friggin' tuber. I don't know what a tuber is, but I feel like that's what this is. That's friggin' sick. Look at that. I don't even know which one this is. I don't know. Probably this one. Yeah. That's the hot side. We have more. Look how exciting that is. That's friggin' sick. So today we're doing... They even sent us a little penguin air freshener. Shout out to Mishimoto. All this stuff was on sale. It was mad. I wasn't gonna buy it, then it was like nearly half price. I couldn't say no. You know what I'm saying? So, friggin' sus Evo is gonna be less sus. Today we're nearly gonna get rid of all the purple off the car, because we're also gonna change the strut brace and change the radiator brackets. I hope. It's the plan. But first, before we get into that fun stuff and get some friggin' shiny goodness on this car, an update. I have a list. This is all the stuff we've done so far that we have not done on camera. So we did an oil change, obviously, because it was shit. We changed the oil cap because it had that weird June purple one, so we got rid of that. I did a coolant flush because it had water in it. So we flushed the coolant like 5 times, I think, using demineralized water, and we put some coolant flush in there too because it was gross. Did that, got it all topped up, coolant, now it's mad. Cleaned the diff because it was oily and greasy. A lot cleaner now. You can actually see the numbers on it and that it's actually a diff. So that's all clean and mint. Now we just gotta wait and see where it's leaking from. And I can't see anything. I've been driving this for a bit now and there's no leakage, so it might be okay. We still gotta change the bushes, but that's coming soon. I got the front brace off. It's in the back. It's gonna get painted one day, but I'm leaving it off now because I don't really care. I don't have time for that. And we got the friggin' TEs on the car. You would know if you watch look at the banner on YouTube. YouTube banner has TEs on it. Spoilers. That was like the first thing I did. I was like, I can't friggin' drive this car anymore. With rushed Evo 10 wheels, which are currently on the 7, which my brother now has.
Talk my gross purple Italian. Yeah, now pull him up. Whoa! Flex on him. Oh, there you go.
I don't think I can do it.
You don't want to do anymore? I bet. You did well. How does that look? That's freaking sick! That looks so much better. Bro. T the world, man. That's all I'm saying. T the goddamn world.
So that's where we're up to with the car. Let's do some intercooler pipes. It's freaking gonna be sick. This is drive tomorrow, AM club. Trying to have it ready for then. Should be fun. All we gotta do is intercooler. It's freaking easy, let's do it. It looks so sick. This is gonna replace. Oh, it even lines up better. I know that the stock ones have a bunch of brackets on them. Those things holding them in place. Whereas these ones obviously don't, so don't really know how they're gonna fit. But we're all about just working it out over here, so let's work it out. I think I'm gonna start at the top. That's probably a mistake. Anybody that knows anything about intercooler pipes are probably going to be like, why'd you start at the top? You idiot. I don't know, because it's a friggin' one I look at all the time and it's going to look sick. Watch, we'll start with that and then we'll probably have to take it off 6 times because we should have done the bottom ones first. But hey, we're learning, let's do it. It would be nice too to not have 18 different sizes of friggin' hose clamp, because they sent a whole friggin' set and they're like the mad looking ones. I want to bend in it, that's friggin' sick. These, I'm so excited to have these going. These, like, why? The difference. This one's kind of longer, I think. No, it's pretty similar. It's similar. I mean, it's way nicer. I just like the Mishimoto. I don't know why. I was like, do I go ETS or Mishimoto or like Plasma Man? But I don't know, I just dig it. Black and orange. And the thing is a friggin' penguin. Penguins are sick. Imagine, I don't know what that one's for. I'm pretty sure these are the only 3 that I need for the top one. So, imagine this one. I don't actually know how they go. Where's the pipe? I will say like that. No. Yes. Change my mind. I'm going to take the cold side lower intercooler pipe off too so I can see where that ends up, and then I can work out which joint is to which. I'm just not entirely sure where this one goes, but I don't know. If we have that in, then we can see where it goes. We'll be able to work it out easier. She's out. It's pretty cool. So we got that. And that. I have no idea how this goes. Hey, mind? Hey! I'm trying to record a freaking video! Thank you. Well, we finally got the freaking joiner on. That was a lot harder than what I thought it was going to be. We had to heat it up and like use a little screwdriver to pop it in, which wasn't ideal, but I suppose being tight is a good thing, especially if you're running high boost, which we're not. We're running stock, but we will be one day. These things have a little M on them, and the way I have this one, it's upside down, and it doesn't match that. That's going to piss me off. Got it all buttoned up, it's all tight, all those clamps are in. That's so much better. Okay, now we just got to do the hot side. it on. I didn't film it because it was pissing me off. This one, the joiner, for the hot side intercooler to the pipe, was by far the worst one to get on. The way I ended up doing it was I put a little bit of oil around it so it was nice and slippery, lubed him up, and I used a little screwdriver to kind of jimmy it on. The oil helped. I don't know if that's what you're meant to do, but it's in and it's on. So I'm happy about that. Nice. Pretty happy with that. That's very cool. Alright, intercooler pipes are on. The Mishimoto stuff. Super stoked with how they turned out. They look sick. Definitely happy. Happy with them. That's not what we're doing today. We've got 2 more little things to do. Making good progress. Oh, 3, because we gotta wash the car. It's freaking filthy. We have the Cusco strut brace. It's purple. It's pretty cool, but it's not what we're doing. We will get that painted, but for now, to make things easy, we have that little boy down there. This is off a 7, so it doesn't have the rings around there like I believe the 8 and 9 ones do. Hopefully it fits. Should fit. I don't see why it wouldn't fit. So I'm just gonna bang that up on there. It was 50 bucks. It's like way easier than getting that painted, obviously. We're gonna get a heap of stuff painted, so we'll get that all done at once. But for now, let's run the 7 one, let's put it on. And we're also gonna change the radiator brackets. Because we have these RK titanium ones, which would look good if you had heaps of titanium and stuff, but they're kind of wonky, and honestly, so many people rate titanium, I don't really rate it. It's blasphemy, I know. I don't really rate it, so I'm gonna change that too. Hold up. That was a bad idea. Idiot. I'll show you why it was a bad idea. Because the freaking car's in the sky. As if I was just gonna unbolt the coilovers while it's friggin' not even sitting. Fucking hell, am I new? I think I might be new. This is why I always say I have no idea what I'm doing, because I don't. I'm just sending it. That was silly, I think. That probably wouldn't have been great. We gotta put the car down. Let's put the car down. It looks so weird and naked without it on there. I might actually just shorten that vacuum hose first, because I gotta do that. I'll sort that out. Oh, now it's starting to look freaking decent. Oh, that looks sick. Alright, let's tackle these things. Shout out to Shift Performance again for the hookup. That's way sicker than that. And nobody can tell me otherwise. Like the world, man. I feel like that looks really good because we've got the black, which matches everything, and the silver bolt matches this stuff, so that's sick. Big improvement. So what I realised about the intercooler spray just then, which is no longer in the car, is that the hose wasn't even connected to the bumper. So we were just shooting water at the ground. So that's just freaking ridiculous. But it's off now, so who cares? Done. I'm also just going to paint this rusty bit of the bumper that sits up here. Hold this mesh down. I'm going to replace it, but I haven't ordered it yet. So I'm literally just going to hit it with the black sketch. Just adding to the sassy though. We take a bit off. We got to add a bit. Let's paint it. We painted the bits in there. You can kind of see the black. Looks better than the rust anyway, that's for sure. Nearly sounds like we have a leak. Ticking injectors, everything else sounds alright though. Oh yeah, that's not normal. Noise seems to have gone away. So the intake was making like a real weird noise, but the only thing I can think of is that because we unplugged the brake booster once, maybe it was just building vacuum again, so it was just sucking in heaps of air, maybe. And then I could just hear that noise coming back through the intake, maybe. That's all. It's the only thing I can think of. I don't know, it seems fine now, so we'll drive it and we'll see how it goes. Jess is here. Ooh. Alright. We just went for a drive. Car runs mad. Had no problems. No weird noises. Intake's good. We didn't blow any chemical pipes off. Yeah, that's all there is to it. So that was the intercooler pipe video plus a few other little spicy extras. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Who knows what we'll be doing next, but it'll be sick, let me tell you that. It'll be freaking sick. Mad. Big sauce Evo.